Today we have a video from Arrest Loop, and the title of the video is Graduation Trip Ends in Airport Battery Charges.
I'm not a criminal!
I understand that.
I'm not a criminal! Please search me and take these off. I don't want them on.
On May 15th in 2025, Orlando, Florida, Orlando International Airport, police responded to a reported battery incident after two sisters were removed from a flight, and a confrontation with airport staff quickly escalated into chaos.
There's a cop here right now.
Okay, stay right here.
All right, I will. I can't, like, that's my whole, like, okay, so you don't even say that.
Right in front of...
Yeah, that guy pushed her to the ground and she fell.
Let me get everything situated.
Yeah. Right, yes.
Because everybody's yelling, everybody's talking to
I'm sorry, I graduated tomorrow, so she's trying to get
Do you have an ID?
We have video.
You have an ID?
Yeah. We have video. We have video and I have, yeah.
Good ID.
Relax.
I'm good ID. She's got so much anxiety too, so maybe you're going to talk to me. I'm literally...
You stay here. Don't say anything. Don't do anything.
I want my dad. Give me your ID.
From here, officers shift focus from the chaotic scene to one key question. Where did this incident actually begin inside the aircraft system?
And who is she to you?
She's my sister.
Okay.
And you are?
That's my aunt. My dad works for the...
Relax.
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
My whole thing is, where exactly did all this occur?
So no, wait. Right. We were on the plane. She had to use the bathroom. And they asked her, they go, "Are you intoxicated?" She goes, "Yeah, I had a few drinks." And that was it. Okay.
Do you have a boarding pass or anything?
Yes, she does.
Can I see it?
Yeah, where's the boarding pass?
Wait a minute.
No, there's more to the story than that. You go to the bathroom and the stewardess asks, "Are you intoxicated?" Or flight attendant, whatever they ask, "Are you intoxicated?" And you said, "I had a few drinks," and then that causes you to get kicked off? No. That's not the full story. Just tell the full story, man.
I told her she's got very bad anxiety, so you gotta let her come home.
But as statements begin to conflict, the situation escalates into a classic he said, she said dispute, where every version of events directly changes legal liability.
He showed up, they started screaming, they were in the aircraft. I got asked to call you guys because they weren't leaving. Okay. She finally left the jet bridge. I was kind of following them out a little bit. I told him to retract the jet bridge. She turned around, got in my face and said, "You fat." I said, "Thank you." She turned around, or when she was facing me, she pushed me. And then turned around, and then the sister came up and shoved me again, which I tripped over a Liz.
So both of them hit you?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I tripped, and then my shoe, and I fell on the ground.
Okay.
At this point, the focus shifts from removal to physical contact allegations, turning a flight removal into a potential battery investigation under Florida law.
So what happened? And do you have an ID? I'll get that in there. So please, just explain to me what happened. The best way you can.
The flight attendants informed me that the girl was drunk. She was in the restroom drunk.
And which one do you know?
The youngest one, the little short one.
Not the one with the tattoos, but the other one, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So go ahead.
When they informed me that she was intoxicated, I had to call a GSC, which is my supervisor.
28.
He showed up. They started screaming. They were in the aircraft. I got asked to call you guys because they weren't leaving.
Okay.
She finally left the jet bridge. I was kind of following them out a little bit.
Once officers separate witness accounts, they begin reconstructing the chain of command decisions that led to the passenger removal.
Listen, the thing is that...
And she gets anxiety.
So every airline is different, right? So airlines are private entities, so they have their free will that they can decide whether you want to fly or not, right? It's a security risk,
Definitely.
So let's say if she's intoxicated, they don't know if she might create a disturbance or anything around the aircraft, so that's why they decided to get her out the aircraft, okay?
But legally, airlines in the United States hold broad discretionary authority, especially when intoxication or disruptive behavior is suspected on board.
What happened?
So I went out and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do some scene. They're like, "Oh, you need to go out the bathroom," and I was like,
what? Like, why? And I was like, okay, like, that's, like, whatever. And then, like, I don't give any, my boy, literally, like, when I tell you that my boyfriend is a state trooper, and that my boyfriend had literally, like, been with him for 5 years.
I understand.
They begged me to take Sappheiros test, which is the
I got you. I'm focused on what happened with the pushing and the disturbance.
So I was like, okay, like, I'm just gonna go to my seat, because I'm like, this makes no sense. Like, I'm literally not trying to give any harm. Like, yes, I had a couple drinks, but, like, I'm not trying to give any type of harm.
Okay.
That legal justification sets the framework. But what matters next is whether that authority was exercised appropriately or escalated into unnecessary force.
Then he pushed me.
He pushed you?
Yes.
How?
He pushed me, like, I was like, so I'm coming off the plane. And I'm just gonna reenact it, like, the way. He was like, no, you have to get off the plane.
To your chest?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and so he assaulted me in that way. And I was like, no, especially because it's my boobs. So, like, I can go further that way if you would want me to.
Okay. Now the investigation shifts from policy to personal impact, as the passenger begins giving her own account of what happened inside the jet bridge.
So did he push you with the intent to hurt you?
All right.
With ill intent?
He was just trying to get us out as fast as possible.
He was just trying to get you guys out?
Out as fast as possible.
I put my hands on my sister.
So at any point during the flight, did anybody put hands on the girls at any point?
Because in police investigations, this is the exact question that turns a fight into a felony case.
It was just verbal, and you was telling them to come off, and they was willing to come off. You know what I'm saying? Once they got in jet bridge, at that point they was willing to come off.
I don't know what person they're telling me. We heard you say, come on, let's go.
So they willingly came off. We walked through the jet bridge, and then the younger girl pushed her down.
And the big one pushed her again.
So both of them pushed me at the same time?
But when both sides claim physical force, officers must determine intent, whether this was lawful removal or excessive contact under use of force standards.
Are you freaking kidding me? Why am I getting arrested?
We'll call someone to help her, like, reel it out.
Why am I getting...
I believe the story too. I ain't gonna lie. Like of her part as well. Like of course I believe, the stewardess part or whatever, them. But I could imagine the sister being drunk and them trying to get them off or whatever the case may be. I could picture it in my head, right? And someone puts your hands on your sister. So now the other sister, the big sister, is gonna back. You know what I mean? Gonna push them back or whatever and get in their face. I could see it. It's not too far fetched. So I believe it, and they deserve to be arrested though.
So they're stating that it wasn't just, it was both of y'all.
Okay.
And it's not, we're not only getting word from her, there's other two witnesses are saying this.
Yeah, the ones that have the video. My phone, you can open it up and look at it.
In the end, what started as just getting kicked off a flight legally escalated into battery charges, because in U.S. law, emotions don't matter. Only what the cameras can prove in court.
Yeah, this is a different channel I just found. It seems like, because I've seen different cases, like when I was going through it, I'm like, oh, I've seen these on other channels, but it seems like they're similar to Crime Scrutiny or whatever, where they kind of cut out a lot of the nonsense, but Crime Scrutiny lets a little bit more of the body cam play than just the interruption commentary or whatever. But it is what it is. This was a good, quick one. I hope both got arrested, because it seems like both of them pushed, So I only see one getting locked up, and maybe that was the final one that pushed and messed up the lady's knee or something like that. But whatever, just stop getting drunk on the airplane, man. You wait until you get to your destination, then the party begin. The party don't begin on the flight. Like, come on, man. Put your night thing on, whatever, your eye mask, put your headphones on, and go to sleep, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.